welcome back to our YouTube channel. As you can see, we're doing something special today. We are having some Aperols and we're going to teach you guys how to make them.
Most importantly, you oaks, never forget to like, to comment, and most of all, subscribe. Okay, it's really important.
Subscribe.
Together we joy, guys.
Yay.
Together we joy.
Cheers.
Ceviche.
Before we go anywhere with this, please like, subscribe. I don't know where the buttons are, but they're somewhere at the bottom. Subscribe, turn it grey, press the button, just do it quickly, and leave a comment. Tell us how much you love us or hate us, whatever you want to say. Ready? Please do that before we get into this video. Anyway, today's an exciting day. It's a great day. Big things popping, big things happening.
Plenty up in this
Guys, we told you we are serious this year.
Yeah.
We are about to shoot the coolest thing ever.
Yeah.
I know I said that. Today we are making some Aperols.
Some
Yes.
spritzers, bros.
As you can all see, everything is orange. That's nice.
As you guys know, we are obsessed with an Aperol Spritz. Like, there is just nothing quite like it. And today we actually get to make some and drink some and show you guys how to make the perfect Aperol Spritz as well. So
you guys
super
can all
excited.
come to the party and make them at home and stop having FOMO.
Or just drink them in general, guys. They're so nice.
Yeah, just try
Very
yourselves out.
refreshing.
Yeah.
We actually were just thinking about the first time ever that we had Aperol Spritz. And it was actually, I think we've told you guys the story like 10 times.
So many times.
But we're just going to tell you again because we love the story. We love the story so much. And it's a perfect story. So it was, what was the year?
2017.
2017. So yeah, 3 years ago. 2 out of 4 of the winishes went to Italy. BXP. Went to Italy and we discovered Aperol Spritz, and literally we like survived on it the entire trip. Like literally.
This is actually what I wanted to tell you yesterday. That yes, the first Aperol Spritz we had was in Rome, and it was. Remember when we like took a train to a very far away place and we were walking and we got there and it looked like a gardenish kind of thing.
The white.
It was whitish, and we were wearing. I actually even remember what we were wearing, but we went to the bar and we were like, oh cool, let's have it. And you
cool
were the one
story,
to say,
bro.
The story's
So
not
you're
even
jealous
finished.
or what?
So yeah.
But, and you were the one to say, oh, I've always wanted to have an Aperol Spritz, and that's where we had our first one. And the soda water came in like a canister.
Yes. That's so funny. And it's perfect, like, because it's so refreshing. It's so refreshing, so it's a perfect drink to have when you're like traveling and you're out and about. There's a lot that we've learned about actually making it the right way. So yeah, that's what we are gonna do today.
You need ice. Lots and lots of ice.
Asses.
You need the actual Aperol. You need Cinzano, which will tell you a little bit more about. Soda water and a slice of an orange.
One slice of an orange.
Yeah.
Literally one.
So the best way and the easiest way to remember how to make it is 50 Prosecco, 50 Aperol, splash, and a slice. So it's 50-50, splash, slice.
That's cute.
I love that.
Yeah,
that's really cute.
50/50 slice.
50-50 splash slice.
Sounds like a
nice.
formula.
Yeah.
It is.
Sounds like
It
something Mrs.
literally
Alexander
is.
should have taught us.
So Aperol was founded in 1919 in Italy by the Barberi brothers, and it's quite light in alcohol. It's quite light. It's got an orangey taste, bittersweet, so it's got herbs and spices as well. So it's quite, and very sweet as well. So it's quite dense.
It's also a liqueur.
Yeah,
Yeah.
by definition.
Yeah. There's
So
something
yeah.
to say about that.
Yeah.
The concentration of sugar is quite hectic in it.
Yeah.
So it's distilled and then infused with the herbs and the spices, and then the sugars added to turn it into a liqueur. And then it has like rhubarb too.
Yeah.
Nice.
So
Which
rhubarb
gives it
is
its
what,
colour.
yeah,
Yeah.
so it gets its color. Yeah.
Have you guys ever had a rhubarb tart?
No.
Once in my life.
Guys, I
It's
don't
very
like
fun.
rhubarb here. I've got a
Really?
very big issue.
I understand where you're
Like,
coming from.
I've never had it.
Okay, let's bring it back.
So nice.
It's not about rhubarb today.
Okay.
Okay, and then we have Cinzano, which is recommended by Aperol. Like that's
It's
It's got the A and everything.
It's got the A, everything. And basically this one is made specifically for South Africa. Because we have a bit more of a sweeter palate than
I think the
Euros.
story is that it's made for Africa and not South
Oh
Africa.
yeah, Africa,
okay.
true,
Yeah.
true. So yeah, we have a sweeter palate, but it also literally makes the perfect spritz. So if you do switch it out with a prosecco, it might not be quite the same.
Yeah.
But obviously you can switch it out with a prosecco if you must.
But this is really recommended. Like, it's just the perfect combo. And often, like, if you go to the shop, you'll see that they are like bulked together because
Yeah.
it's the perfect taste. So just get this.
Yeah, and then how an actual Aperol Spritz came about. It used to be consumed. Well, they used
With
to
soda
consume
water.
with
Yeah.
just soda water. But then one day, a lady in where was this? I don't know where she was,
It was
but
somewhere in Italy.
a
Yeah, it was
lady.
in
Yeah, the
Italy.
point is, it's a lady.
A woman.
Yeah.
A woman.
And also, just
We always have to
know,
solve the problems.
every
Yeah.
single time a plan must be made, and we are the ones making the fucking plan.
Yeah.
Okay.
So thanks, lady.
So yeah, this lady had run out of soda water, and it was a hot summer, and she needed to keep selling the spritzes because people love the spritz in Italy. And she was like, actually, how about we switch it out with prosecco because you need a bubble and you need to make it frizz and keep it fresh. And she switched it out with a bubble, and that's how an Aperol Spritz became
we are.
the Aperol Spritz we drink today with prosecco and a splash of soda
All
water.
because of that woman.
All because she was solving a little bit of a problem.
yeah.
Shout out.
Yeah.
Shout out to her.
Yeah.
Gang,
Trevicho
gang.
to you, lady.
gang.
Because you make them so well.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're
Where the
maker.
ice
Who would have thought, hey? Who would have thunk it?
Who would have thunk, eh?
Who would
Who would have thunk it? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so step one, ice. It must fill your
Are you going to
actual-
tell them the ISA story? Guys, so we don't think we don't know like English and grammar, because si cremile actually a lot. But the story when we say ices instead of ice is that Clemento and I once went to a birthday party thing at Urbanology.
It was a year, wasn't it a year function?
No, it was
Oh,
Paul's
birthday.
birthday. So we went to this birthday thing at Urbanology in town, and we had ordered our glasses of wine. So we order our glasses of wine, they come, and we're like, you know what, actually this needs a little bit of ice. So we asked the guy, we're like, please can you bring us ice, whatever. And then we like, as we do, we continue chatting and we're talking. And then he interrupts us like during our chat to put the ice down, but then he goes,
Ices.
ISIS?
So we've been saying that ever
We've
since.
never stopped
Brilliant.
saying ISIS.
Brilliant.
So.
Also to note, guys, you always want to fill your glass up with ice, like to the top. It's really important that the drink is super, super chilled. So I sense a mistake, but it's
Yeah.
Lisa to the top, and then okay.
While they're
There
singing,
you go.
let's fill it up to the brim.
more ices for the girls?
Ices for the girls.
I think that's
And you then add. So how we do it is that we do it in we count.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you don't have like any measuring stuff, I mean most people don't. So we
It's also quite specific with the counting. Don't like if we say 8, don't do
Just
9.
do it.
don't do
Don't do
nine,
it.
don't do 7.
Don't do
Don't
it.
do
Don't
eight.
Do 8.
Just listen
It's
to us.
really, otherwise you're gonna mess up your own drink, and then when you're drinking
Morose.
ikaka and morose,
Morose.
then that's on you, baby.
What makes it easy for us is that because this is a branded glass, you can actually fill it up to the bottom of the
Aperol.
logo there. But obviously, regular glasses, you just count to 10. So if everyone
Or
can
to
just
the
count-
or to the biggest part
To-
of
yeah.
the biggest part of the glass is
Yeah.
where you fill up to.
Just-
So where you
just
use
above the
where
base.
you usually fill up your wine glass to the
Yeah.
straightest
Over
part.
the booty.
Yes.
Or count to 10.
Or count to 10.
Okay, count with me, peeps.
Let's go.
One,
freaking
One,
break.
2.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Hang on.
7.
This is why counting does not work. Counting doesn't
Okay,
work.
guys.
Yeah,
Yeah,
perfect.
this is fine.
Like,
I think the 10 works if your bubbles are chilled.
Yeah, it's just
Yeah.
like, it's
We
very
have hot
bubbly.
bubbles right now, so
Warm.
but it's quite easy to do, guys.
Yeah.
Just the straightest point, literally, like after the curve. That's where you want to get it.
Yeah. And just by the way, guys, this is not a Prosecco. This is an Italian sparkling wine. It's just made close to the Prosecco region, not in the Prosecco region. So that's
But it
So
tastes
same
very
soil,
similar.
same everything, pretty much.
so
Climate.
it's made the same way.
Yeah.
As our great guy Ori said, it's like going downstairs and sleeping in the
that-
next apartment,
yeah.
but it's still the same
It's the same
complex.
apartment. I'm still in the city.
Okay,
I'm in
and
your area.
then
The AP.
Number 2.
Aperol.
Shake,
Love
shake,
it.
bitches.
Count to 8, guys.
I like
Okay.
this counting story.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, I think 8. You have to finish the
We
numbers.
just-
You
to
just
everyone.
told them.
Fine.
You
do
can't
it.
just decide that it's
Give my
enough.
nevers.
And then
A
3
splash. 2.
2 seconds.
2.
Count to 2.
Don't do 3.
But make your seconds out, so go 1,
No.
2.
Say
Go
1, 2. It's a
No.
splash.
Don't
It's a
listen
splash.
to anything Bushle says.
Don't listen to Bushle.
No, but remember when Bunny yesterday did 1, 2, and then Ori was like, you haven't even added
Because
any.
Bunny
No, but
poured
she
a
poured a little.
droplet.
Galela kakuhle
A
and
splash,
1,
guys. 1,
2.
2. Done.
God, I think
Don't do 3. You're
While
gonna
you
regret
guys
it.
are arguing. And then last ingredient.
Brilliant.
Like a word. God, it cannot be a lemon or a grapefruit.
Yes.
If you don't have an orange, leave it. Yeah, okay?
Don't
Because
have
it's
a
gonna change
drink.
the whole drink, okay? Because you're not having a spritz when it is
And
not
then
an
just
orange. That's that.
Just a quick twist, and I think that's
one,
enough.
Bunny, just
You're
one.
supposed to do that only once.
Yeah, you do
just
that.
one.
You don't need to.
Because
yeah.
and reason being, when you mix it, you get all the bubbles. What is it called? You make them go away.
Yeah, basically
Yeah.
you make it go
It
flat
makes
quicker.
sense.
So
actually,
because
guys-
the bubbles are obviously a bit more volatile in
Yeah.
the Cinzano.
When you guys are
Same
putting
thing.
teaspoons into your bubbles to like keep the bubbles fresh, that's a lie because they're actually the metal
makes it
makes
flat.
the bubbles flat. So,
So let's
stop
all stop
doing
South
that.
Africa.
Yeah.
Let's all just
Maseke.
buy proper
Get a
stoppers.
bottle stopper. Yitenge khona kwa Checkers, khona kwa Pick n Pay,
Yeah.
noma phina guys.
I'm actually gonna
But
call
Jack Carroll
Johan
boys
Rupert
are nice.
tomorrow to ask him to buy bottle stoppers for the nation.
Cool.
Is it nice?
Tell us. What's the
The
verdict?
perfect Aperol Spritz.
Yes.
Yum yum.
Yeah.
You have FOMO, don't you?
Can I take?
Okay, I need one right
We
this
need to
moment.
just do
Yeah, I need one right
We need
now.
a taste test, okay?
But Bunny makes the best spritzers.
Bunny's
I think
good
this
at
is
it.
done.
Is this her job now?
Yeah.
Uh,
Okay, guys, this is so exciting.
This is actually
this
an
is so
important
exciting.
thing.
Yeah.
Aperitivo. So, the occasion that you would actually no, there's no occasion for Aperol. That's the thing about it. It's that you can have it with any meal, any time of the day because it's so light and refreshing. But something that is really cool that the Italians do is something called an aperitivo. So, sort of like after work vibes, but before dinner. You gather with your friends and family before the official dinner, and you drink Aperol Spritzers, and you eat light,
Yeah.
tapasy food.
Except
any
the
kind
food
of
is not
food.
actually light, if we're being honest.
Yeah.
Well, aperitivo means appetizer.
Yeah,
So you have
so like
appetizers.
the drink also prepares your palate for like food. So
Yeah.
the bitterness of it like gets you like salivating.
Yeah,
and
lamba.
ready to
In other
enjoy the
words.
food.
And
Yeah.
it's quite dry as
Yeah,
well.
the
which
dryness
makes
of it,
easily
yeah.
pairable.
Yeah.
Lambe,
And it's
as
like
we
meant to
speak.
pair with like literally anything.
Literally anything.
But-
wow.
Go
Okay.
girl.
Okay.
So thank you to our amazing friends at Aperol for sponsoring this video and sending us these beautiful bottles for us to share with you guys. We're super excited to be drinking every spritz every day. Yeah.
There's a lot more something to have. So
Keep
we're
the
having
so much
doctor
more
away.
happening.
Yeah.
there's a
with
lot more
these
happening with
people.
keep your
So
eyes open
actually
basically.
keep posted, guys.
Um,
We're gonna be spritzing every
Check
single
out
day.
Instagram, check out Twitter, but some very cool things are coming up and you would like to be there. So just stay tuned and maybe see you at one of these cool things.
See ya.
Um,
Also, shout out
okay.
to Aperol being our first
Official
Sponsored.
partner, yeah.
official partner,
guys.
and
Shout
on
out.
YouTube as well.
Freaking
That's
cheers.
exciting. Cheers
That
to
is a
us.
big moment.
Yeah.
2020,
Cheers to us.
we weren't playing.
We told you guys. We told you guys.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Please
Right now,
subscribe
as in
right
now.
now, not tomorrow, not whenever. Tell your friends about us. Just do the right things. Also share our videos, retweet, do all those nice things.
Yeah.
But we love you guys.
Love you guys. Love you guys.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Together we join.
Yeah.
Trivia.
Heathens unite. Okay, let's go heathens.
Microphone kan
Yeah,
sounds
that's
Heathen always.
sounds like a chill.
But it's vibrating.
continue?
Yes.
So move it. Leave it inside.
That's amazing. Not scripted.
First of all, it's Sunday. If you guys can hear what's going on, it's Sunday.
Eddie's only up in there.
Eddie Macasola's
R.I.P.
Wilson P.
Of
Oh,
course,
sorry.
yeah.
Eddie's.
Yeah, Eddie's quite good. R.I.P.
I don't know if you can fight that.
You can't.
It's not better. Shut
You
up.
can't. You can't.
You play it.
Yeah, you also want your like actual glass to be.
Okay. Oh.
That was meant to happen. That was a part of this.
Yeah, we planned this.
Yes, I mean,
Even our
surprise.
reactions were so planned. Mudimu, Mudisco.
Sorry.
He's like, and cut.
Yeah.
And scene.